let the joints them comfortable and flexible, moving along with the muscles, right guys? So we got to get the body active, right? Exercise make the body active. So sweeping is a part of the exercise lesson as well, and chopping too, right? As I said, keep the joints them active, the muscles active, yeah. Keep our overall body active, blood circulate throughout our heart and brain, right guys? Yes, especially for those who have you know chronic diseases like hypertension and their diabetes. Gotta do this a little work in your garden. Yeah, I normally have my garden, but because of work, my vegetable garden, and no one is here, so to care them, care my vegetables, they died, so I just don't bother. But my plant are standing. When I comes home and they look, poorly, yeah, I just prune them up, and water them, and they come alive again. Yeah. So I am driving, Mom, to appointment. I have you tuned in, my sis. Okay, you're taking Mommy to appointment. Okay. Drive safely, my sister. All right. Okay, Sissy Pooh. So she said she have me tuning. Okay. Okay, no worries. Welcoming, guys. We are 3 million in the building. Thank you for coming in. And there you can see, guys, I'm in the backyard here. You can look behind me. You're seeing, trees and so forth. The mangoes are finished. Let me see if you can see the mango tree there. The mangoes are finished. No mangoes. Before the hurricane there, the storm, Hurricane Beryl, mangoes was galore. Plenty, plenty, plenty in the tree. Yes, plenty in the trees. It is one tree, guys, but the what they do again? What's the name again? They put 2 seeds together, and so to get one tree, right? It is one mango tree. Yeah, but they put 2 seeds together, and let they grow, and it becomes one tree. So half of the tree is Julie, not Julie, but stringy mango, and the next half is East Indian mangoes, right? Yeah. So mangoes are finished at this time. Yeah, I'm trying to remember the name. Engraph, that is it. Yes, guys. So it is 2, 3 in 1. 2, 3 in 1. So they engraft both the stringy mangoes and the East Indian mangoes, put them together and let them grow, right? And becomes one tree. Yeah, that's the tree there. If you look there, you'll see that's the mango tree there. Yeah, that's the mango tree. Yeah, is it that one? Yeah, the mango tree there. So they engraft both seeds, and both seeds becomes one tree. Yeah, so that is how we have one mango tree with 2 different types of mango, stringy and East Indian, right? So here am I going to continue with the chopping, and then I start to sweep. Yeah, I actually don't. I just have over that side there, that side, just on the ground, right here. Yeah, and then I go around the side, not a lot around the side, not going too much around the side. Here am I. Here am I. So this is pretty much exercising, as I say, right? You see me? So welcome back to Jamaica, guys. Jamaica, yeah. Doing some work after burying. Yeah.